Hey guys, in this video I'll show you how to fix your device ran into a problem and needs to restart. Alright, let's begin. First of all, you need to shut down your PC 2 to 3 times consecutively as soon as the manufacturer logo appears. When the window loads, hold the power key for almost 10 to 15 seconds, then release it. Or just press the shift key while restarting your device to get into the advanced recovery mode. So this is the screen which we wanted. Now you need to click on Troubleshoot, then click on Advanced Options, and now you will see various options. First, we will try the command prompt method. Simply click on command prompt and type in as fcscan now. Give it a go and wait for the process to complete. Once the process is completed, exit out from the command and you can simply click on exit and continue to Windows. If your problem is fixed, then well and good. If not, then follow me. In the second step, we are going to boot our system into the safe mode and then we will perform some steps from there. In order to do that, click on Troubleshoot, then Advanced Options. From here, you need to click on this option Startup Setting and you need to restart your system into the safe mode. Simply click on this option to restart and it will ask you to select the action you want to perform. Just press the 4 key on your keyboard to boot into safe mode. Sign into your Windows account, and from here, we need to go to the control panel. Open control panel and make sure that the sorting size is set to large icons. Now, click on Programs and Features tab and delete the most recent software you downloaded as it may be causing this error. To do that, click on this embed and the most recent software will be sent to the top of the list. Once you have found the software, select it and then click on Uninstall. After the uninstallation is done, click on the System Updates embed at top right corner of the screen and uninstall any update that you think is the cause of this problem. After you are done here, restart your PC and then navigate to the Advanced Recovery setup the same way we did before. Once you are here, click on Troubleshoot, Advanced Settings, and then select System Restore. This will take you back to the starting updates if you have set the restore point. You can also try resetting your PC as it may solve the issue, but your data will be lost. So make sure to keep it as the last resort. The next thing you need to do is go to the advanced options again and run the command prompt. Here, we are going to fix the hard disk related issues, the bad sectors, and the corrupted hard disk. We just need to type in chkdsk/f/r and the drive letter where your Windows is installed. Once you hit enter, it will go through 5 stages. So I am pausing this video and I will show you once this process is done. You need to have patience and you need to wait for the process to complete. This command will scan the bad sectors or corrupted hard disk and repair it automatically. So this command is completed now and it has repaired the errors automatically. Now just click on this cut icon, select exit and continue with Windows. So that's it for this video. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and giving this a big thumbs up. Thanks.